Let's go live, everybody. Let's go live. It's Nora the Stock Explorer. What's going on, everybody? Let's go live. Let's go live. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. Let's get it. What's everybody looking at today? What a day. Crypto took the dumperoonie McFatty. Let's see. Bitcoin. Let's see. Bitcoin took the dumperoonie McFatty. Give me a second, guys. We'll get these charts set up for you guys. Give you a few minutes to hop on, guys. If you're not already following me on Twitter, follow me, Philly_Orlando on the Twitter. And I will follow you back. Let's look at the Doge. Doge is on sale. Guys, this crypto's not going to stay down. You already know that. This is news based. This is because of news. Okay, you already know what the dealio is. AMC had a nice little run today. Had a nice little healthy pump there, up 6%. I traded DraftKings, DKNG. I traded DraftKings. I bought it in the pre-market and I already sold it. I day traded that. Made a quick couple little tendies off of DraftKings. She's still running. As you know, NFL season is starting. So that is going to probably do well. I was a little scary to hold it. But yeah, it's looking good. Still looking great. Guys, if you're here, drop a comment in the live chat. Drop a comment. Also, if you didn't see, I'm going to start doing a couple WeBull videos. Now, the one I posted is not... It does not include everything, guys. It doesn't include. It's just a little quick brief overview. Because if you don't know already, there's so many features in there. It's hard to find everything. So what you want to do is just go in there and look under the WeBull blog. Now that was the desktop version. Of course, there's a version for your cell phone. There's even a version for your iPad, specifically for your iPad. So if you get WeBull, don't download it off the WeBull website. Use my link, because then I get a referral bonus. And then once you have it, you can send your referral bonus out to your friends and you can get free stocks, guys. I usually post that link in the description of my videos. If you don't see it in the description of this video right away, you can look at any of my other videos. All my links are in the description. You just have to click that little arrow that says show more and you'll see all the links. I also have a nice link to the Capitalist Academy. Guys, you only have to put in the code DISCIPLINE and get the first full month for free. If you're a serious student, guys, you can learn so much within that first month. And I know once you join the Discord and you see all the tools, we got Black Box over there, we got expert traders over there, you're going to get live support. I think you're going to stay. So if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and take the plunge, guys. You know, the kids are back to school. You got a little free time to yourself. Go ahead and invest in yourself and check out my link for Capitalist Academy. If you do use it, let me know so I can welcome you over there in the private Discord. There's so much to be learned over there, guys. Give that a try. Okay. So I have a couple stocks, of course, that I was watching. We watched the Bitcoin and Dogecoin and Ethereum take the big fade-a-roni this morning around 11, right? Look at that drop-off. But I think this is temporary. This is news-driven. I think it will recover. My personal opinion, though, I am not a financial advisor. guys. So this is not financial advice. Guys, if you're watching, please hit the like button so other people can join us in a lively chat here. I'm going to stay on for what they call Power Hour, which is 3 to 4 o'clock p.m. and see how the market does in that last hour of trading. As I said already, I traded DraftKings. DraftKings still looking really nice. Look at it running. It's still going. What a day. That would have been a nice trade for everybody. The DraftKings. But it's not the only one. There's a lot of things you could have traded today that looked pretty nice. Let's see. Of course, AMC ran up a little bit. Disney with an impressive pump today, up 1.5% today. Finally, big money's flowing into Disney, and I think it will continue to flow into Disney. Another one that popped that I've been holding for several months now is Osprey Technology. That ticker is SFTW. I'll show you that really quick up here. SFTW, Osprey Technologies, which is going to become Black Sky. It's a satellite company. It's ripping and running, up 8% today. I've been holding this thing. Finally, I'm in the green on it. I have 60 shares. I bought it at 10.34. It's at 10.79. Not a huge difference, but on the day, look at that. I mean, on the day, it is looking great. Look at that, and she's still pumping. If this is not on your watch list, it should be. Black Sky is, they make small satellites for a lot of variety of different uses. Very, very up-and-coming company in that low orbiting satellite space. Very cool. You can read more about it. I've had this for a couple months now, and I think it's going to do well. These satellite companies are going to do well, and they're based out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, which is where I'm from. So a little trivia there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see, Tesla's green today, up 2.72%. Let's look at Tesla, my Tesla, TSLA. My average on Tesla is like 760. I'm still red on it, but I'm holding what I have long term. I bought at the tippy top, guys, but I'm not selling anymore. My Tesla, if anything, I will add to it. Nice little day for Tesla, my Tesla. What else do we have? If there's any charts that you guys want me to bring up, I can do that as well. Corsair had a nice day, up 2.44%. Corsair Gaming, CRSR. I think this stock is worth well over $30 a share. Just my personal opinion. I've had this in my new account challenge for a while. Really looking forward to that getting up to where it should be, because this is a fantastic company. The earnings, all their numbers, they just smash it, and just big money has just not shown them a whole lot of love. Astra's on sale. That's an up-and-coming company that's going to send rockets up and basically send up whatever you want them to send up. Astra's on sale. It's at $9.05 at the moment. Astra's a really cool company, guys. ASTR, Astra Space. Space is where it's going to be, is the place to be. It took a dip today, nice dip, buying opportunity on Astra. I sold some $10 puts on Astra. If that doesn't pan out, I wouldn't mind holding Astra at $10 a share. So that was a winner chicken dinner strategy for me. All right. What else? Facebook had a nice run today. Straight up and to the right, up 1.68%. Facebook's at 382.61. She's running. That, I think, is an undervalued stock. I think Facebook can be a beast in the future as we move into augmented reality. Facebook is going to own that space, guys. We're going to be connecting with friends and family using the Oculus, using, the VR goggles, and you're going to feel like you're really in the room with your loved ones across the country or across the world. I think Facebook is a winner if you can afford it. And she's looking nice this morning, even though futures were red. It's sort of a mixed bag today. Stocks are, it depends what you're in. Heads up, if you'd like Altria, you want to buy Altria before Friday to get in on that ex-dividend date to lock in those dividends on Altria. The ticker symbol is MO. It's sitting at $50.85 right now. I think around a $50 mark is a fair price for Altria. I really do. I think they're going to get into the green space, quote unquote, the green space, okay? Because, of course, as you know, they own Marlboro and the tobacco companies and whatnot. Just something to think about. If you want a solid dividend pick, I have some shares of Altria, and I think that's just I think that's a nice little stock to have. It's very, very stable. It's not volatile. So sometimes you just want it, you want that rock solid stock that's going to weather the storm, that's not going to be all over the map, right? If anybody's in the chat, go ahead and drop your comments so that I can answer your comments on there. I wanted to show you guys I haven't been doing my new account challenge, TD Ameritrade new account challenge updates because, it is just a portfolio update and there isn't a whole lot that has changed. What I have bought on there is a couple more shares of MO. I'll show you that. Here it is right here. I bought a couple more shares of MO. Now I have 5 shares total. And I bought one more share of Crispr this morning. I think I got it around 121 and some change. I think that it's not going to be staying in this price range for too much longer. I was debating whether to get Disney or get some more Crispr, and as much as I talk about Crispr, I have to put my money where my mouth is and buy more Crispr. The gene editing space is getting cheaper to do the gene editing. It's getting the sequencing is getting faster. It's getting cheaper, more efficient, and they're going to be able to do much more with it. And of course, when you add AI onto it, this is a beast, guys. This stock, I'm excited to see what Crispr will do in the next 10 years. They're already curing some diseases at the core. If you're not familiar with what it is, I have done videos on Crispr. If you look through my video list, you'll see I've done at least 2 that featured Crispr. Go ahead and give those a watch. It's fascinating stuff what they do. With Crispr, really cool stuff. So I'll tell you, hang on, let me get the balances here. I'll get you my account balances. Always want to let you guys know where I'm at. The account stands net liquid at $3,989.59 and available dry powder of $223.02. Really tempting to buy another share of Disney, but I like having that dry powder available. Now these little dots here show you when a little piece of news comes up. Corsair Gaming and Ubisoft partner to deliver immersive PC gaming Experience, there you go. Just what I was talking about, virtual reality, immersive experiences. Great news for Corsair, Disney's Hulu to raise the monthly subscription fee by $1. Okay, that's going to make Disney more money. And of course, MO, they got the upcoming ex-dividend date. If you want MO or Altria, buy it by Friday, because the ex-dividend date is Monday, and since you have to get it a day before the ex-dividend date, you're going to want to get it by Friday. So did a little research for that for you guys. I like to give a little heads up when these ex-dividend dates come up. This account's doing okay, guys. It's doing okay. I'm trying to balance it out, so I have some rock solid dividend stocks in here, and also some high growths. Some high growth stocks that could be some poppers, right? Boozy, love this. I think money's going to start flowing back into small caps very, very, very soon. If you have a favorite small cap stock, you might want to grab it while it's on the cheap, because I think big money is about to show some love, hopefully, let's pray, to some of these smaller cap cool companies like Alpine 4, like Corsair, like the Boozy Doozy, like Planet 13, okay, like Luminar Technologies right here in Orlando, Florida. And the course I'm taking a mechatronics course, and one of the instructors already had a tour down there at Luminar, and I will talk to them because I would love to have a tour down at Luminar, and if I can in any way, I will try to take pictures and capture some information for you guys to share on my YouTube channel. So I'm excited to ask them more about that. If I could get a tour of Luminar, would love to see behind the scenes of what they're doing with the LiDAR. Two things I might do. I might cut this share of Hyundai because I really don't see myself building on it. It's lost me money. It's down. It hasn't really had any momentum, and I don't want to build on it. And also Kiwa Biotech. It's a Chinese biotech company. I like it a lot, but it just has not moved. And I don't want any dead wood in the account if I could help it. So at some point this week, I may cut these two and just roll that money into the dry powder or buy a share of something else I have on the list. All right. Let's go back to the WeBull wobble. Guys, if you haven't watched my WeBull video, check it out. If you have any suggestions on what you might not understand on WeBull, please let me know so that I can do some custom WeBull videos for you guys. This channel is for you. Hey, 40 and Broke, thanks for hopping on, man. They got a $2.40 limit buy on ADA. Awesome. Awesome. Yeah, definitely buy. I would say if you have some money for a little bit of crypto, today is a great day to get that dip buy on the crypto. ADA is crypto. I also noticed that WeBull has Shiba Inu. Now, I'm a Dogecoin fan through and through, so I don't own Shiba Inu. But if you want it, you can get it on WeBull. You can get the SHIB. You can get the SHIB. You just type in SHIB. You'll see SHIB USD. And the SHIB I was real tempted to buy just a little bit just to play around with last night. I am glad I didn't, because SHIB took the same fade all the other cryptos took today. But if you want any of these, you can get them on WeBull. You can get the main ones. And you can get some of these altcoins on WeBull. If you want them, why not buy them while they're cheap? But guys, manage your risk. Don't spend the rent money or any other bill money buying crypto, because you see how volatile it is. Look what happened this morning. People were probably at work and didn't even see that whole Fade-a-Rooney McFatty is what I call it, right? So 40 and Broke, his name is Leroy. Go ahead over to his channel, 40 and Broke. Nice dip today. Yeah, picked up some Shiba also. I'm tempted. I'm not really a SHIB fan. But if there's something I can grab that'll make me money for a quick swing in and out, I'll do it. I'll do it. I might just buy 50,000 sheep. It's crazy cheap, guys, because it's at 0.0000599. Okay, so it is a very small fraction of a penny for one Shiba Inu token. So you can buy a ridiculous amount on the cheap, and then just, sell it to somebody at a higher price somewhere down the road. That's the name of the game. Because on WeBull, if you buy crypto on WeBull, you have to understand that it's always going to be locked into WeBull. You can't get it out. So you can't go ahead and transfer it into, say, your Robinhood or somewhere else, or your Coinbase. No, you're locked in. So just be very careful and realize that. So basically, when you buy it on WeBull, you're going to be trading it at some point, right? You're going to be trading it. You're going to try to sell it at a higher price at some point down the road, right? You're not going to really be able to spend it unless WeBull comes up with a wallet, and then they have a card associated or what have you, a way to actually spend that crypto. Will they work on something like that? Probably, but not anytime. I don't think anytime this year you're going to get anything like that. So just something to be aware of. Also, when you're opening the IRAs and different things in these different platforms, make sure you're comfortable with the platform, because the IRA is not something you can really move around a whole lot either, okay, without a lot of paperwork and probably fees and stuff like that, right? So just be aware, make sure you're comfortable with the broker that you're using, that you're buying the SHIB on and things like that, right? So that you don't kind of get stuck and feel trapped into staying with a broker that you don't like. But so far I've had WeBull over a year, and it's been fine. It's been fine. They do have 24-hour customer service as far as I know. I can't really say I have a complaint at all with WeBull. It's just kind of hard having my money in the different brokers. I'd like to have, at some point, have everything in one or two. Right now I have 3. That's a bit much to keep track of. But yeah, that's about all I wanted to share, guys. Just wanted to hop on real quick, say hi to my friends. Shout out to Michelle Morar. Shout out to Leroy. Shout out to Chugi, shout out to Steve from Disruptive Wealth, to Manos from Money Whiskey Coffee, shout out to my boy Peter DiCarlo, he's killing it. We have over 800 students in the Capitalist Academy. I am so proud to be a part of it. It's growing and growing and growing, guys. It's a fantastic academy to be in. Your first month is free with the code DISCIPLINE. Put the code in, get your first month free, and test drive it for a while, and come over and say hi to me. Would love to have you over there, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in. I will see you Friday morning at 9 a.m. for a live coffee chat, and I will be talking to you guys soon. Thanks so much. Don't forget to smash the like button. I love you guys. Peace.